Finally.
How dare you talk to Lorena? And tell her to back off?
I didn't tell her anything.
And that isn't enough. Pinahiya mo pa siya. Sa harap ng anak ko. For what? Why would you do that?
I was just looking out for you. For Amber.
No. You humiliated her. Siniraan mo siya sa mga tao. Sa akin. Para saan? To make yourself look good? My God, Ronnie. Wala ka pa rin ibang iniisip kundi sarili mo.
Well, you didn't seem to mind looking out for me that night.
Just one night. That's all that was. One goddamn night that I regretted ever since.
You needed me. That night, hindi mo nga alam kung nasan yung asawa mo eh. I was the one who's there for you. Ako yung nandun.
Exactly. Ronnie. That's what made it worse.
Okay, fine. Let's not talk about our past. Let's focus on our future. What about Lorena? She's just your rebound, Will. And you know that. Obvious naman eh. Hindi siya yung asawa mo. And she never will be.
Exactly. She's not like Jocelyn. And thank God Lorena's not like Jocelyn. And you know what? I'm thankful she's not like you.
So wala na lang ako. Ganun na lang ako. Ganun na lang yun.
Ronnie, kaibigan ka ng asawa ko. Magkatrabaho tayo. Tita ang tingin ng anak ko sa'yo. And that's it. So if you wanna stay in our lives, in my life, know your place. And stay in it.